This video is about how to level Allen Roth Motorized shades. So, first step, open the cover right here on the side, then slide the bottom, slide it out, so you see the motor. Sometimes this rope just goes around the plastic. If you lift, that happens especially when you lift the shade by hand, and rope goes around this plastic and it becomes shorter on one side, and that's why one side stays at wrong height. If your rope is all good, only going, it's supposed to go only around the metal pieces right here and right there. You can't really see it. All right, if that is good, you need to factory reset your shade and let it go all the way down, lower than your window, as low as it goes. So to factory reset it, you go put your shade all the way up, raise it, then hold your up and down button until the shade vibrates. After it's vibrated, hold your up and stop button until shade vibrates. After it's vibrated, it's factory reset. Now press down button and let it go all the way down. To have it down lower than your window, keep it outside the window so it would go. And often, after you go all the way down, it levels up. But if it's not, there is another final step. How to level it up. Very easy step. Just bear with me. And that's the problem with my shade right now. So when we're all the way down, you still can see it's uneven. The problem is it's been set at factory unevenly. So what you do, raise your shade back up and take it off the window. Once you take it off the window, it's gonna be very easy to level it up. Just first you have to make sure it's not around the plastic there, then let it go all the way down and have your manual handy. So after you do factory reset, you need to set your up and down position again. But now you just unclip the clips that hold the shades in place. A little bit hard to do that. So after you unclipped your shade, it's very easy. Just look on top. And there are the things like this. Just make sure you do the same longevity, or what you call it, on both sides, where rope fixes to this piece. Just make it even, and there you go, you're all set. I mean, what you do, you just disconnect the rope from this piece and then connect it tighter at shorter distance, and that's it. I tried to do it and understood it's easier said than done, because it's really hard to connect it right there inside this hole. But what I can do, I can lower the shade a little bit and stop it, and that's why I'm gonna have a lot of rope, and now it's easy to do it. It's like this. Just make a few knots, 2, 3, so it doesn't what it's called, doesn't disconnect later. Alright, you can measure it with the ruler or something if it's same height, and you should be all set. Then just put your shade back on the window. It's gonna be nice and beautiful, nice and even. Alright, install it, then install the install the bottom piece. I have to find it, I don't know where I put it. And that's it, I'm gonna be all set. Look how nice and even it is now. Alright, thank you for watching the video and have a good day.